welcome to the channel once again. I don't know whether this video will be useful as such or not to anyone, but this is a kind of thing which interests me a lot. You can call it a pastime, you can just call it some kind of hobby or something, analyzing things. So here I am in this video where I will be comparing the old syllabus of our program at CIC, which which was called or which fell under the CBCS-LOCF category, which was set in 2019, and the NEP UGCF 2022 syllabus. Let's go into that. But before that, so on the screen there will be two columns in a table in each slide. On the left, you will find the CBCS courses. On the right, you will find the NEP UGCF courses. The CBCS courses have been arranged in this proper sequential order semester wise, whereas for the UGCF ones, I have tried to map the courses with the CBCS ones wherever possible. So it won't follow that kind of a sequence. Now for CBCS, I have the complete syllabus from semester 1 to semester 7, whereas for UGCF, no one has yet the semester 7 syllabus, so we just have a partial data available with us, semester 1 to semester 6. And the open electives earlier and now they have not been included in our comparison. So let's begin with the comparative study. And this will be useful for the people who are coming, although I have other syllabi videos uploaded, those who want to see what they're going to learn. But yeah, never mind. So we had, and if you see a bracket with a number, as you can see here, this represents in which semester this course was offered, right? So in CBCS we had seeing the world through calculus. I'll try to get my laser pen. Seeing the world through calculus, first steps through symbolic mathematics, and corresponding to that, we have a rebranded course now, single and multivariable calculus. We have this course has not been rebranded, it is retained modeling continuous changes through ordinary differential equations. But earlier it was in semester 1, now it's in semester 3. Earlier we had automating real world programs for programming fundamentals in semester 1, rebranded as programming fundamentals in semester 1 once again. We had understanding computing systems architecture in semester 1, rebranded to computer systems architecture in semester 3. Earlier we had this compulsory course, now it's an elective, generic elective. We had physics at work 1, deconstructing machines in semester 1, rebranded now as engineering physics 1 in semester 1. And a new course has been added alongside physics as an option, engineering chemistry 1. And continuing with this, we had business entrepreneurship and innovation management in semester 1, and this can be mapped to strategies and concept for innovation management in semester 4. But earlier this course was compulsory, this is not compulsory, this is a generic elective, so that's a difference once again. We had environmental science and ecosystem management, and it does not exist anymore in its former form, so that's something which you have to see. Earlier we had linearity in nature, engineering through linear algebra, first steps through numerical algorithms in semester 2. It has been rebranded as just engineering through linear algebra right now. We had understanding real life situations through discrete mathematics in semester 2, which has been rebranded as discrete mathematics and its applications in semester 1. We had optimizing memory use through data structure and design in semester 2, rebranded as data structure and design semester 2. We had reflecting thought processes via object oriented programming in semester 2, rebranded as object oriented programming in semester 2. So you find as a result of the rebranding, there's quite some simplifying process simplification process that has been done with the nomenclature. And we had earlier Physics Act Work 2, Deconstructing Devices. In semester 2, rebranded as Engineering Physics 2 here. And Engineering Chemistry 2 is again a new course. We had earlier, now from here, again, these three were also compulsory in semester 2 earlier, by the way, not electives. Business processes and strategic IT alignment, which has now been removed. We had electronics at work and circuit simulations in semester 2, which can be mapped to electronics at work and circuit simulations in semester 4. But earlier it was compulsory, now it is an elective difference. We had exploring biology systems approach in semester 2, which can be mapped to the elective subject explorations in living systems or the living world systems approach. So the name can be either of them depending on how it is being floated, which is offered in both semester 3 and semester 4. And we had modeling the change in the world around us, partial differential equations. It has now been removed. Okay. Now, design and analysis of algorithms, semester 3 has been rebranded as analysis and design of algorithms in semester 4. Handling information through data modeling and design, semester 3, rebranded as database management systems, semester 4. My laptop is lagging. I think I'm back again. I'll have to check the recording later. Understanding economic behavior, the micro level, this was offered in semester 3. And understanding economic behavior at the macro level, this was offered in semester 4. All right, as an elective course. Now it has been merged into the elective course of semester 3, economic behavior. Okay. Now electronics, circuit elements and instruments, it has been merged with another course. I'll show it. Integrative biology has been removed. Principles of management has been removed. And by the way, the list contains both core courses and elective ones. I have not mentioned them separately here. Okay. In order to get details, you have to watch the the in detail syllabus videos which I have made before. So this is an extension of the previous course which I mentioned. This one, okay, electronic circuit elements and instruments, innovation lab, semester 3. So this can be mapped to electronic circuit elements and innovation lab, semester 3. The cell, biochemical, and molecular perspective, semester 3 has been removed now in the new syllabus. Coming to semester 4, does the nature play dice? The amazing world of probability and statistics. It can be mapped to applied probability and statistics. Instructing computer systems operating system, rebranded as operating systems. Information exchange in computing devices, data communication and networking. It can be mapped to data communication and networking, offered in semester 5 now. In silico biology has been retained and the name has also not been changed. Bringing companies and clients together, sales and marketing management. This from semester 4 can be mapped to consumer behavior and marketing research, semester 5. Digital electronics and logic design, innovation lab has been removed now. Flow of information in living systems, semester 4 has been retained, but this time in semester 3. Complexity and symmetry in mathematics, complex analysis and algebra, it has been removed. Computer graphics and visualization, it has also been removed. Now, computer and brain, knowledge discovery and artificial intelligence of semester 5, rebranded as artificial intelligence of semester 6. Maximizing performance, human resource management and organizational behavior has been removed. Embedded Systems Studio 1 has been removed. Applied Genomics and Proteomics of semester 5, and Biological Instrumentation Kitchen Genomics and Proteomics of semester 5. They have been merged into Genomics and Proteomics of semester 6. Efficient manufacturing process, production and operations management has been removed. Signals and systems engineering of semester 5 has been removed. Linear construction of actions, engineering through linear programming and game theory has been rebranded as Linear Programming and Game Theory of semester 5. The decoding computation structure and logic of semester 6 has been removed. Internet and web technology has been removed. Handling finance management has been removed. Embedded Systems Studio 2 has been removed. Biological networks from micro to macro niche has been removed. You might be thinking they have just removed things. Have they even added things? Yeah, I'll come to that. E-business organization and strategy, it has been retained. Control systems has been retained. Genes to genomes has been retained. Just one semester has been reduced here. Now, algorithms for computational mathematics, numerical methods, it has been rebranded as numerical methods for computational mathematics. Okay. Software engineering and project management has been rebranded as software engineering. Computer language design and engineering, we can call it compiler design of in normal language, it has been removed, or at least they are not available till semester 6. I don't have the semester 7 syllabus. We will be having some more interesting things there. So this is the current data which we have, right? Making society smart through computational social systems, semester 7. As per the current data, it has been removed, but I really think this will be retained. This will not be removed. I don't think so. And I also think that Introduction to Natural Language Processing, it will be retained. Environment management is remote, might be retained and all. I'll see. This is an elective course, as you can see, under the management channel. Those who decide to go for management as a minor. Engineering at molecular scale, devices and nanotechnology has been rebranded as Fabrication of Nanomaterials for Devices, offered in semester 3 and semester 5. And yeah, you can choose it on the ones, okay? Biodefense and bioengineering is being removed. They might bring it back. We'll see that. Business automation and strategies, ERP, case studies and project in industry has been removed. Circuit analysis and synthesis has been retained. And systems biology, semester 7, this has been removed. I'm sure about that. I have the information. Now, coming to the new courses which have been added here. In semester 6, UGCF 2022, we have information security. Now we have health data analysis, we have game development using Unity, 3D printing using Blender, applications of data science, a case study approach, urban computing, IT project leadership, Internet of Things, security and machine learning, integral transforms and applications, mathematical modeling and simulation, computational fluid dynamics, technology based solutions of societal issues, medical imaging techniques, computational analysis of omics data. I have talked about this before in another video. Omics data includes the fields of genomics, proteomics, and the other omics related to metabolism, related to enzymes, and all of that. It's computational biology. Virtual reality has been introduced, complex systems. Now, I don't know whether this is an extension of the complex analysis part, that one or not. I don't remember basically. And research and methodology. And here ends our presentation here. So, what do you think of the things which have happened? Courses which were taught earlier now have been removed, and new things which have been introduced here. Of course, you can't opt for all of them. Now, to find out which one to opt, when to opt, and all of that, watch my other videos on syllabi of CIC. And apart from that, I'll end this video here itself. Almost all the exams are over, some are less, some are left. So, best of luck for the season, the exam season, and the counseling season. And God bless you all. Thank you.